going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the H2 and back with some more traffic. If you're new to the channel, you know that the H2 is kind of cursed. Every time I ride it, there's traffic, like a lot of traffic, like this. Today's video, we're going back to the shop, SoCal Superbikes. Need to figure out that auto blip issue that I told you guys about in one of my videos. I mentioned it. Apparently there's some sort of adjustments for it that will make it like less aggressive, but it's not going to be butter smooth from what I understood. So anything is better than nothing, because currently I'm barely even using the auto blipper from how aggressive it is. It's pretty much like only smooth when I'm like high in the RPMs, which is kind of pointless because I kind of want those downshifts kind of like when I'm going like for a stop or something like that, because I'm not going to be racing 250 wheel horsepower Ninja H2 on daily basis, you know what I mean? I kind of got the auto blipper for comfort and not like performance. So I wanted it to be, there's always an accident here. I wanted it to be pretty much just smooth and comfortable. Here, let me show you guys. See how it's kind of like, it just launched me forward. Like on my R1M, I can literally downshift without either hands. If I do that on this bike, I'm gonna get thrown back. I've done it with like one hand and it's still, I feel like I'm gonna fall off the bike. It's that like jerky and aggressive. So kind of just want to get that fixed, figure it out, or at least slightly better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Plus it's really nice out, so I wanted to go on a ride. Sadly there is traffic as always, and the upshifts are really smooth. It's just the downshifts. Oh my god, look at that car. What is that dude doing? So aggressive. I got even more aggressive after the tune. It's ready?
Yep.
Nice.
Hey man, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Looking good.
Yeah, man. First, what's his name doing? Yeah, he's fucking.
That Fireblade though, I do like them. S1000 or V4 is a little better. All right, we're doing some testing. That's why this fairing is off and the AC is hanging right there. Whoa.
You gotta cycle it.
Ah. There we go. Yeah.
You gotta cycle it every time you flash it.
Got it.
Alright, come on.
Still felt aggressive. I can't tell if it was better or not though. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit better. It's still like aggressive, but it's not like completely throwing me off type aggressive. There's a cop right there, so if you guys remember, this is where I got a ticket and there's a cop right there. Definitely a little better.
A little better?
Yeah, it's definitely a little better.
Next week I'll tell them if they can make the same changes again.
But like more.
A little bit more, yeah.
Yeah. I couldn't fully test it. There's literally a cop right there and another one right there where I got pulled over last time. But it's definitely like not completely throwing me off.
Your body didn't like.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. All right. Appreciate it. We'll
Yeah,
if they can figure it out. All right. I'll put it back on. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Let's put it back together. Still pretty aggressive, a little better. We'll see how it is in higher RPMs and all that. Test it out a little better. The R1M though, looking pretty good. Yeah, so apparently what I was told is that that's why they didn't add an auto blipper for the H2. I don't know, something's not compatible with it, blah blah blah. Because that module has supposedly been tested and that's kind of like the best product auto blipper for it out there. And it's still like, as you guys can see, just like pretty jumpy and aggressive. See, it's almost like not usable in low RPMs because it launches you towards the cars in front of you. It's still a little bit better though. I'm either getting used to it or I think it is a little bit better than before. It's still not what I would like it to be. Definitely smoother in the higher RPMs. Still though, not sure about it. Yeah, like over 8,000 RPMs, that's when it's like butter smooth and doesn't kind of like launch me forward at all. But one of my, like, I'm rarely downshifting when I'm over 8,000 RPMs unless I'm full on racing. Test is doing it one-handed. Let's see. Yeah, so like the really low RPMs, that's when it's super aggressive. Sounds amazing though, so it's kind of worth the money. But I feel like for usability wise, because most of the time, as I said, I downshift in like really low RPMs when I'm coming to a stop. But makes sense, it's like a race mod, you know. Also kept the aggressive throttle tune. He could have adjusted the map to like a less aggressive on the throttle, but we'll keep it aggressive. It's fun. Scary but fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Didn't really fix the problem, but I do think that it got a little bit better. Like back then it was so aggressive that I almost didn't want to use it at all. Now I can still use it, but it's still not like as smooth as I'd like it to be. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.